Here we are giving a demo of the autonomous quadcopter, that is UAV. What we are demoing is the three flight modes of the quadcopter. First one is the stability mode, second one is the altitude hold, and the third one is the loiter mode. So first we are initializing the setup, that is we are trying to transfer the data from the autonomous quad to our base station. That is I've installed Mission Planner as my ground base station, and the data is being relayed through the Wi-Fi telemetry, which runs at 433 megahertz. So here I've got a good GPS hold, that is GPS HDOP is 1.80, and the other parameters also are pretty good. So the first step in launching autonomous quad is to have a fixed GPS log, so that you can have certain modes like RTL, you can have modes like loiter, you can have stability, altitude hold, etc. So once we are done that, we are ready to fly. Can you pause it? So you can have different configurations on the quad. So what configuration we have built it is the X quad. So in the X quad it is pretty safe to fly, it's easy to fly, it's pretty stable. So the demos will obviously show you the stability of the quad. So here what we are using is a u-blox GPS receiver, a GPS transmitter and receiver, 433 megahertz Wi-Fi telemetry, board, 32-bit ARM Cortex based Pixox board, and obviously the XZ11 receiver. Okay, so now let us launch this. So first I have moved the switches to a position of the first flight mode, that is the stability flight mode. So let us arm. As you can see, it is a pretty good, it's pretty stable in terms of taking off. So I have launched it to a height of probably 60 to 70 feet. The wind seems to be at a speed of 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. In spite of that, I can have a pretty good stable platform. So now I'll be switching on to the altitude mode. So this is the altitude hold. As you can see, the altitude is held there. So I can have the controls over the roll. This is the roll. I can have the control over the pitch. So nothing seems to change in the altitude. So I can have the roll, I can have the pitch. So this is the altitude hold mode. So I'll be switching it back to the stabilized mode. Now this is the RTL mode. This is the loiter mode. So you can see that you can see that I have stopped using the transmitter. Even then the platform is pretty stable. Yeah. So in spite of having a wind gust of probably 15 kilometers per hour, so even then you have got a pretty stable platform there. So these are the demo of the three flight modes. The first one we showed is the stability, second one we showed is the altitude hold, and the third one here we have is the loiter mode. So switching back to the stability mode, I'll get back and try to fly it closer. Okay, to mention, we have configured the stability mode in a simple way. That is, no matter what the orientation is, you still can fly it in the basic manner. That's, you pull the pitch back, you will have the quadcopter coming back to you. So we'll again fly it in the loiter mode. So this is the loiter mode. Okay, we'll fly it closer. So this is loiter mode. As you can see, it's pretty stable on its way. So this is the loiter mode. So we have a pretty decent wind flowing. In spite of that, you have got a pretty stable platform. So that's the demo of the 3 flight modes configured on a Pixhawk platform, running the Ardu Pilot 3.1.3 version. And yeah, this is the homemade quadcopter. Thank you.